Apple pie is a classic American dessert that typically consists of a buttery crust filled with sweet and tender cinnamon-spiced apples. Here's a recipe for apple pie that you can try out. Ingredients: 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter, chilled and diced, 1/4 to ½ cup ice water, 6 cups thinly sliced apples, Granny Smith or Honeycrisp work well, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 egg, beaten, coarse sugar for sprinkling. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, salt, and sugar. Add in the diced butter and use a pastry blender or your hands to cut the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add in the ice water, starting with 1/4 cup and adding more as needed, until the dough comes together in a ball. Divide the dough into 2 portions, one slightly larger than the other. Roll out the larger portion on a floured surface and fit it into a 9-inch pie dish, trimming the edges if necessary. In a separate bowl, combine the sliced apples, sugar, lemon juice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Toss until the apples are coated. Pour the apple mixture into the prepared pie crust, dotting the top with small pieces of unsalted butter. Roll out the remaining dough and use it to cover the top of the pie. Trim the edges and crimp them together with the bottom crust. Brush the top of the pie with the beaten egg and sprinkle with coarse sugar. Bake the pie for 45 to 50 minutes, until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. Allow the pie to cool slightly before serving. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.